We are often asked, what is it you enjoy most about the biohazard and cleaning industry? Well, there's nothing like the rush of adrenaline you get from showing up on site at ground zero following a hurricane, or showing up ground zero after a tornado. But even on a smaller scale, with fires or floods or crime scenes, there's just something about this industry. Something about taking a home that's been completely obliterated and turning it into something beautiful. Check out this repair. Following a small fire. We love to produce results.